Right.
And I'm a third generation welder.
Oh, is that right?
Yeah.
Welcome to another episode of Mondays with Milt. Now today I'm out on the production floor and I'm with Bethany. She's one of our welders here. So Bethany, welcome to Mondays with Milt. How long have you been working here at WireCrafters now?
I've worked here for a year now.
All right. So I'm not used to seeing a young lady welding. What do you like about welding?
I like that I get to build things and see like a physical form of my work done.
Right.
Not just putting something in a computer and, you know, that kind of stuff. I like to actually see what I'm doing. I like that I'm contributing to women in trades. I think that's pretty cool.
Right.
And I'm a third generation welder.
Oh, is that right?
Yeah.
All right, that's pretty cool. That's pretty neat. So you're welding up a panel right now.
Mm-hmm.
So you put the mesh in the frame, and what else do you have going here?
This one's pretty basic. I just put the mesh in, weld the angle up with the mesh in, tack the mesh in, weld the stiffener in, and grind the corners and call it a day.
And you're good to go.
Yeah, that's it.
So when you get done here, what do you like to do when you leave WireCrafters and you're out of here for the night?
I have a 2-year-old little girl.
Oh my.
And she keeps me really busy. I'm very involved with my community and giving back to people in recovery.
Okay.
I have kind of started my own little candle making business.
Right.
And 10% of everything I make goes to the Healing Place and to Choosewell Communities to help our recovery community. And I have a partner who keeps me pretty busy, and I'm very involved with my family.
Well, that's great. That's great. That's good to hear. And the little 2-year-old girl, she might be a welder one day?
I'm hoping so.
All right.
I'm hoping.
Okay. Well, that's all we got this week. Thank you, Bethany. I appreciate it. Glad to have you here at WireCrafters. We'll see you next week on another episode of Mondays with Milt.